Creativity in Africa.
WEGOINOVATE presents GH for STEM Juniors Challenge. Let's see what junior scientist Josephine Nimaku has to offer. Josephine is a student at AKWATIA St Dominic R Basic School in the Eastern Region of Ghana. Josephine uses potatoes, alligator clips, zinc plates, copper plates, LED bulbs, flexible conducting wires, and a switch for her science practical. This is because she is interested in the transformation of energy through a portable torchlight. Let's observe Josephine in science action.
I'll start by designing my biocells with these sets of potatoes that were kept in the salt solution. The salt reduced the resistance in the potatoes, allowing free movement of electrons through it. All cells have two terminals, the negative terminal and the positive terminal. I'm going to use the scissors to create two holes into the potatoes. Now I have my potatoes ready, so I'm going to create the terminals of the cells by inserting the zinc plate, which is the anode, or the negative terminal plate, copper, which is the positive terminal plate or the cathode. Now that my biocells are ready, I'm going to form an electronic circuit. I'll start by using 3 of the biocells to see the effect of cells in a series connection in a circuit. So I'll start by making my connections using the conducting wires.
For current to flow and generate electricity, there must be a connection.
I'm going to use more of the biocells to see the effect it will have on the LED bulb. As it is seen here, the LED bulb has emitted brighter light than the first one, which I was using only 3 of the biocells. But here, since I have 5, the voltage has increased, which allowed more current to pass through, resulting in the brightness of the LED bulb.
Hydroelectric power is one of the main sources of electricity in Ghana, but there are so many ways to generate electricity from nature. And this is one such example.
My name is Josephine Nimaku. We are the young scientists of St. Dominic R Basic School, AKWATIA in the Eastern Regiion of Ghana for the JUNEOS Challenge.
We are appealing to all our loving viewers and listeners to vote for our experiment.
The use of potatoes to design a biocell to power an LED bulb.
Show Josephine and her team some love for their scientific work. Vote Josephine Nimaku, AKWATIA St Dominic R Basic School, Eastern Region of Ghana. Visit www.wegoinovate.org. You can vote as many times as you want. It's free. That was a great demonstration. How about you? Make a video or take some pictures of the results of your experiment. Ask your teacher or your parents to help you post the results of your experiment on social media. Tag WEGOINOVATE so that you can win some fabulous prizes. Don't forget to add your name and the name of your school to your entry and hashtag GH4STEM. Good luck with your experiment. You can be a junior scientist too.
Comment.
Subscribe.